In this video, we're going to talk about method injection. In constructor injection, we pass an instance of a dependency as an argument to the constructor and then store the passed-in reference in a private field. This stored dependency will be used for all the methods in this class. Here we only have a single method, but if we had multiple methods, then the same stored dependency will be shared across all the methods. But what if we want to vary a dependency on each method call? So in one method, we may want one implementation of iBook repository, but in another method, we may want another implementation. To achieve this, we can use method injection. In method injection, we declare a parameter to a method of type iBook repository and then use the passed-in reference to invoke its methods. So this means that when any consumer calls the addBook method, then that consumer needs to supply an instance of a class that implements iBook repository as a method argument. Let's revert to using constructor injection because constructor injection is a recommended approach over method injection or property injection. In the next video, we will talk about property injection.